विजयनगर 1336 से 1565 founded by Hariar and Bukka son of Sangama feudatory of Kakatiyas later become minister in court of Kampili city and kingdom discovered at present Hampi by Colonel Colin Mackenzie. Kingdom lay in Deccan south of Bahmani kingdom divided in four Sangam Sulub Tulub Arabidu. Vijayanagar and Brahmani conflict began with the foundation of kingdom. Clash in three areas: Raju Doab, Krishna, Tungbhadra, Krishna, Godavari Delta and Marathwada. Name Vijayanagar city of victory. The Sangam dynasty 1336 से 1485. Hariar and Bukka 1336 से 56 laid foundation of Vijayanagar at present Hampi. Bukka one strengthened city of Vidyanagar, renamed as it Vijayanagar, restored harmony between warring Vaishnav and Jain. King of Malabar, Ceylon and other country kept ambassador at his court. Hariar II, son of Bukka I, Devrai I, third son of Hariar II. Greatest achievement are irrigation work, example dam built across Tungbhadra canal to city. Niccolo de Conti, Italian traveller, visited during his reign. Devrai II, grandson of Devrai I, Ahmad Shah I of Bahmani, invaded Vijayanagar and exacted war indemnity. Devrai II began practice of employing Muslim cavalrymen and archers in army on large scale. Induction had begun during Devrai I, called Proud Devrai. His inscription title Gaza Bet Kara, the elephant hunter. Sri Lanka paid regular tribute. Follower of Veera Saivism, respected other religion. Dindi was court poet. Srinath was given the title of Kavi. Sir Babu Ma Abdul Razak, a nephew of Shah Rukh, visited Vijayanagar during his reign. Sulub dynasty 1486 से 1505. सुल्लुब नरसिम्हा 1486 से 91 founded Sulub dynasty. Tirumala and Imadi Narasimha both are minor during regency of Narsara Naika. Vasco da Gama landed in Calicut during his reign in 1498. तुल्लुब डायनेसिटी 1505 से 70. वीर नरसिम्हा 1505 से 1509 son of Naras Naika become king after assassination of Imadi Narasimha, last Tullub ruler. कृष्ण देव राय 1509 से 29. सुल्लुब तिम्मा चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ वीर नरसिम्हा placed कृष्ण देव राय brother of Veera Narasimha on throne. Greatest ruler of Vijayanagar, contemporary of Babur, most illustrious ruler of Deccan, maintained friendly relation with Albuquerque. Portuguese governor, ambassador Friar Luis resided in Vijayanagar. Born Odisha, Gajapati kingdom for Vijayanagar. Vijayanagar as its strongest during his reign. Built Vijay Mahal, house of victory, Hazara Rama temple and Vithal Swami temple. Title Yavan Raj Satpancharya, restore of Yavana kingdom, Bidar kingdom. Abhinav Bhoj, also known as Andhra Bhoj or Andhra Pitama, gifted scholar in both Telugu and Sanskrit. The only two extant work, Telugu work on polity, Amukta Malayar, and Sanskrit drama Jambavati Kalyanam. Quote endured Astadiggaj, 8 celebrated poet of Telugu. Peddana Manuchiritam, considered the greatest, called Andhra Kavita Pitama. Timmaya Parijata Aparnama. Muddu Palani, notable women poet, the court Durjati Mallan, Raju Ramchandra, Surona Tenali Ramkrishna, Pandurang Mahamatya. Dorte Barbosa and Domingo Pais, Portuguese traveller, visited Vijayanagar during his reign. Defeated Yusuf Adil Shah of Bijapur, conquered Raichur Doab 1512. Most important military achievement. Died 1529, succeeded by brother Achyut Dev Rai 1529 से 1542. nominated by Krishna Dev Rai as successor. For now known as Portuguese horse trader visited during his reign. Ben Carter 1 1542 and Sadasiv Rai 1576 real power exercised by Rama Raja Rai and his two brothers. Five successor state of Bahmani Empire divided through Rama Raja diplomacy. Battle of Talikota. Battle of Rakshas Tangadi fought on 23 Jan 1565. Rama Raja taken prisoner and executed by Hussein Nizam Sawan. City of Vijayanagar mercilessly destroyed. Caesar Frederick, Italian traveler, visited Vijayanagar 1567-68 during reign of सदाशिव राय. अरबी डायनेसिटी 1570 से 1650. Trimul Rai, brother of Rama Raj, ruled in the name of Sadasiv Rai. On failure to repopulate Vijayanagar, shifted capital to Penugonda, divided into three practical linguistic sections. Empire slowly shrunk. Vaidu dynasty ended in 1646. Vijayanagar administration. Navankar system, a special feature of provincial administration. Avankar system, a special feature of village administration. Body of 12 functionaries. Ayanagad conducted village fair. Administration or unit head. Mandalam province, Mandaleshwar. Nadu district, Nadu Prabhu. Gram village, Gauda. Grant tax free land, Manyam to Ayangars to enjoy in perpetuity. Vijayanagar coin and economy. Issue gold coin called Barahar or Pagora. Parta half of Baraha. Phanam 1/10 of Parta. All gold coin mixed with alloy. Tar silver coin. Jittal copper coin. Economy was prosperous. Control over paper and textile trade. Received tribute from Sri Lanka. Important port Calicut, Kannauр, Bhatkal, Mangalore. Active trade at Arabia, Persia, Portugal. Vijayanagar society, only empire in medieval India which employed women in state service. Women went to battle. Only state that promote widow remarriage. Status of women improved. Social classes. Viprulu, Brahmin, Rajula, Kshatriya, Nalwa, Jati, Baru, Sudra, Vipra, Vinodin, artisan, weaver, calculus, Hagaman, Sati, Visavaga, forced labor. Vijayanagar architecture. Runs at Hampi brought to light 1800 by English East India Company. Engineer Colonel Colin Mackenzie produced new style called Provida style with large number of prominence of pillar and piers and a distinct feature. Horse was not common animal on pillars. Important feature mandap of open pavilion with raised platform for sitting deities. Amman shrine. Important temple Vithal Swami or Hazara Ram temple at Hampi. Tadapatri and Prabarti temple at Chidambaram. Varadaraj and Ekambarnath temple Kanchipuram. Vijayanagar rules started practice of inscribing Ramayana and Mahabharata stories on temple. Vithal Swami and Hazara Ram temple. Vithal temple Hampi, famous for its musical pillar that produce musical note when trapped. Also has famous stone chariot, actually a shrine. Lepakshi temple, Andhra Pradesh, built during Vijayanagar period, famous for Nandi statue, largest monolithic Nandi in India. Hanging pillar, one of 70 pillar, does not rest on ground. Bahmani kingdom.